Welcome to this lesson on dividing numbers written in scientific notation. Today, we will master the quotient rule to solve these problems easily, step by step. Have you ever wondered how to divide massive numbers like 4.5 times 10 to the power of 8 by 1.5 times 10 to the power of 3 without using a calculator? It looks intimidating, but there is a simple trick. The secret strategy is to split the problem into two separate parts. We treat the coefficients, the regular numbers in front, as one group, and the powers of 10 as a second group. We handle them independently. First, let's look at the coefficients. We simply divide them just like any normal division problem. 4.5 divided by 1.5 equals 3. That's the first part of our answer. Next, we handle the powers of 10 using the quotient rule for exponents. The rule states that when you divide powers with the same base, you subtract the exponents. So, 10 to the 8th divided by 10 to the 3rd becomes 10 to the power of 8 minus 3, which is 10 to the 5th. Now we just put the two pieces back together. We take our new coefficient, 3, and multiply it by our new power, 10 to the 5th. The final answer is 3 times 10 to the power of 5. Let's try a trickier one with negative exponents. 8 times 10 to the 5th divided by 2 times 10 to the negative 3rd. First, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then, we subtract the exponents, 5 minus negative 3. Remember, subtracting a negative is the same as adding, so 5 plus 3 equals 8. The answer is 4 times 10 to the 8th. Sometimes you might get an answer that looks right but isn't quite finished. For example, 2 divided by 4 gives you 0.5. If you just write 0.5 times 10 to the 3rd, it is technically correct math, but it is not proper scientific notation because the coefficient must be at least 1. To fix this, we need to move the decimal point one place to the right to turn 0.5 into 5. Since we made the number bigger, we must make the exponent smaller by 1 to keep the value the same. So, 10 to the 3rd becomes 10 squared. Our final polished answer is 5.0 times 10 squared. Let's recap. Step 1, divide the coefficients. Step 2, subtract the bottom exponent from the top exponent. Step 3, check your format. And Step 4, normalize the decimal if needed. Follow these steps and you will get it right every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.